The air is glass, the lights are thin. We start again beneath the skin. A quiet pulse, a hidden grin. The night pulls us in. Your eyes reflect the sound. The world turns underground. Every move profound. Every breath unbound. Your hands unfold the dark. The silence leaves a mark. The rhythm lights a spark. We drift and bark. No fear, no sound, no rules around. Just hearts unbound. Just ground. Silver night, we fade away. Bodies speak what words can't say. Every beat we play keeps the dawn at bay. Silver night, we don't explain. We lose the shape, remain. Every spark a chain inside the rain. Your breath, a slow design. The dark rewrites the line. No truth, no sign, just what's mine. The air been soft and clear. You pull me near. The rhythm disappears, but I still hear. Silver night, we fade away. Bodies speak what words can't say. Every beat we play keeps the dawn at bay. Soft like silk, a dark remains. Echoes hum through hidden veins. Nothing breaks, nothing stains. The silver night remains. Soft light falls, we fade and slow. Shadows curve where feelings go. No words tonight, no need to show. Just heartbeats echo, glow by glow. Your hands, they speak, they don't explain. Every touch rewrites the vein. I move, you pull, we lose again. The rhythm smooth, the heat remains. We hearts unbound. We spin around, golden hour in your eyes. The world below the silence lies. Every move a small disguise. We burn but never realize. Soft like silk, the fire stays hidden deep in our ways. Every glow decays, but the rhythm plays. The air is low, the room is bare. A rhythm hangs us everywhere. You move slow, unaware. I follow, I'm there. Faint light cuts across your face. Time slows down, forgets its place. Every sound a soft embrace. Every move a trace. No words, no names, just flickering flames. No thought, no claim. We move the same. Under the echo we remain. No truth, no chain. The sound becomes our pain. The night hard to read. Under the echo we belong. The beat keeps us strong. Every drift, every wrong turns into song. Under the echo, stay. Don't let go. Under the echo, stay. Don't let go. Your breath repeats inside the room, warm like smoke, a quiet bloom. The bass consumes the gloom. We move, resume. Eyes closed, we fade in the rhythm we made. No light, no shade, just the sound replayed. Under the echo we remain. No truth, no chain. The night dissolves but still the same. I whisper your name. Feel the The air returns the dark to see. What goes to what the silence feeds. The sound repeats, the body leads. Under the echo, it proceeds.